We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig Stock Vinco Ventures Inc. pushing up higher and trying to create a support at these higher levels. Now, it was not the only stock pushing up higher in the morning. We also had Tesla push up higher. I usually talk about our SPY bot, but our Tesla bot this morning sent out at 8:45 a.m. a bull indicator. And from that moment forward towards the bell and even after the bell, things continue to push up higher and calls went up nearly 2x plus within minutes, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so you can receive that edge in clarity over the charts, and you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Bbig stock sitting sideways now at this higher level, but what an explosive move. We're going to talk about some key levels to look at going into tomorrow, but before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was ACON. Caught it in the pre-market, sitting sideways, slightly pulled downwards towards the bell, and then shifted into strength on 42 vision. Got that bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation and jumped up for a highest point of 20% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock Vinco Ventures Inc. As I stated earlier in the video, what an explosive move today, trying to find support, and we're going to break down the key levels here because it's actually shifted from white with red borders to red with green to dark green, and the question is, will it reach bright green and continue to break through resistance levels? And that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to receive that edge and clarity over the charts and maximizing within the volatility. So here we are with Bbig stock pushed up higher, trying to find support and slightly pulling downwards in the process, right? So we're going to talk about what to look at here for tomorrow, but I also want to look at the 4-hour and the 1-day to see the bigger picture, right? So on the 4-hour, we're still under a bear indicator here, and it's shifting from white with red borders to red with green borders. And I stated it was at a very pivotal point between Thursday and Friday because it hit white with red borders, and every single time we hit these dip areas, there tends to be a reversal point, and some are stronger than others, some are weaker than others, right? And these have been weak, followed by actually pulling back down and no bull indicator, right? If we do get a reversal here with some strength and it pushes up higher and it cancels out this bear indicator and we get a bull indicator in the process, that is going to signify some further possibility of strength, and we need to watch it carefully. But right now, this has been under a bear indicator since $3.05. Now, if we go over to the 1-day, you could see how things have continued under this bear indicator, right? And we have 3 bars back to back right now that are red. Now, the question mark here is, will it continue until it hits white with red borders, or will we see a point of strength where things try to reverse out of red and go into red with green borders and start shifting upwards until it could reach dark green, and a possibility of another bull indicator that can actually cancel out this bear indicator? We need to watch this very carefully and closely within the volatility. Now, on the 4-hour, we're still under a bear indicator, on the 1 day as well, but on the 30-minute, we just got a bull indicator today, and this is why it's so important to watch these dip areas, because there tends to be moves of anywhere from 5 to 10%, 10% plus within a single day, or even for the next few days if this bull indicator holds up with strength. Because when it popped up, it canceled out this bear indicator, and here we are having it. Now, 42 vision, I share it on the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 1 day so we could do a proper analysis where we could see the bigger picture. But 42 vision also brings clarity in the shorter time frame. So if you're a day trader, a scalper, a swing trader, you could see in different time frames within the volatility the opportunities. And this is a complete shift right here from white with red borders. Get that confirmation of a bull indicator, and it went all the way up towards bright green, still had strength, and went up again to bright green. And the question mark is, could it hold this up and sustain it, or is it going to pull back and set up for the next bull run before it continues? But the point is, it's been under a bull indicator since $2.21 on the 5-minute time frame, and then shortly after on the 30-minute it popped up at around $2.23 on this bar that went up from 223 to highs here of 234, and not that far from one of the highest points of the day of 236 and 237, give or take. So let's talk about the resistance and support levels here. The first thing is, the first support I'll be watching is 229. If that gets broken through, the next support is the low of the day at 219, which is basically 220. That is a key level to watch, and we want to see the bulls have strength there. And if it comes back to it, we want to see the bulls bring it back up and double bottom based off of that reaction, right? And that no bear indicator pops up in the pullback. But if this bull indicator continues to dominate and we do not break through 229, we want to see this continue to have strength. And the first resistance level is the high of the day of 238, 237, give or take. And then the next one's up here at 241. Once that's accomplished, we can talk about 245. And then obviously way back up here before things got bearish and this bear indicator popped up and this big pullback happened for 3 days consecutively, is up here at 264. Those are the key levels to the upside and downside right now that I'm watching very carefully within the volatility to maximize within these moves going into tomorrow, and we'll see how this plays out. But an explosive move here, we'll have to see if this is a dead cat bounce or actual momentum, and tomorrow we'll be able to watch these levels to see if the bulls are holding this up or if the bears are trying to tear it down. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make